So the focal length of this convex lens is 10 centimeter. So I'm moving to the closer to this.
Oh,
but I'm moving away from it. You will be seeing that image right there. And that image size has to be reducing all the time. Getting a smaller and smaller image as you move that lens away from the source. You can get again a focused image right here. Right, that's it.
15 centimeters from your object.
Okay.
Right? So once you've focused your image, it's going to be 22 centimeters from your lens. Because the image distance of 22 is larger than the object distance of 18, the image has to be larger than your original object.
Okay.